guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another skincare type of video. If you are someone that struggles with textured skin, congested pores, this video is for you guys. If you are not a newcomer around here, you already know about this face mask. This is a very powerful facial. It will literally pull the whiteheads from your pores. I have used it for years myself, so I know it works for me. Every time my skin starts to feel and look a little bit congested, I literally grab for it. Of course, I'm talking about none other than an Aztec Healing Clay. This one right here. You can get this from Amazon. Like for me, I get it from like an African shop near my house. So a little bit about this clay mask. So it basically acts like a magnet. So it literally pulls out any congestion that you might have in your pores. Like for me, I know my pores are congested when I run my fingers across and I can feel little bumps. That's when I know my skin, my pores, I need help. And this is what that clay mask basically does. It pulls out any dirt, any whiteheads, blackheads, any like gunk that you might have in your pores that can cause that kind of bump looking feeling. You can use it for pretty much everything, and it says at the back here as well. Like it's good for men, it's good for women, it's good for people with all skin types. If you've got oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, you fit in this category. Like you are not gonna be left out. This is a face mask for everyone. So I'm gonna show you guys just how I make it and how I apply it onto my skin. For this face mask, you will need the Aztec Healing Clay, of course, and then some apple cider vinegar with the mother. It's very important to make sure that your apple cider vinegar is with the mother because that is a very key ingredient in the apple cider vinegar. An important thing that you need to note is don't use any metal with this face mask. So when I say metal, I mean metal spoons, metal forks, metal knives, anything metal you shouldn't really be using, even like a metal bowl. So I use this bowl here and like it's a plastic fork, but I use this end of it because it just makes it easier for me to apply it onto my face. So these are the two things that I apply with. You want to add equal parts clay, equal parts apple cider vinegar. So I like to just pour it in and just see how much I need. I do apply it to like my body if needed. So sometimes I'll put it on my armpits. This is a good detox. But for my face, I will just apply it into the bowl based on how much I will need for my face, if that makes sense. Looking at this mixture, this is like 2 tablespoons. So because I've done this for so long, like I kind of know what measurements to use for my face. And then what you want to do is you want to add the apple cider vinegar into the mixture. So basically that's like a smooth paste. That's the kind of like texture you want to get, something that is easy for you to apply onto your skin. So I just literally just rub it into my skin. I love to do like quite a thick layer. So this is kind of like how you should be looking at the end of this. You need to make sure it is everywhere. So then I just let this sit on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. I can't lie to you, I do let this sit on my face for like 30 minutes sometimes because I like it to be fully dry. Now because my layers are quite thick, I add quite thick layers, so I need more time for it to dry. Okay, you guys, so I do want to just mention that as the mask dries, it gets very uncomfortable to speak. It's very tight. Like it makes your skin feel tight. On the packaging, it actually says, feel your skin pulsate. As you guys can see, the mask is drying. This for me is enough time. It's been on my face for like 15 minutes now, and it's time for me to rinse it off. So I'm gonna go rinse it off camera and show you guys what my skin looks like immediately after. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, my skin looks a lot smoother, and for me it's not really about the look as well, it's about the feel. When I ran my hands across here earlier, it felt so bumpy. That's why I had to literally go back to this clay mask. I know a few of my subscribers do have sensitive skin. You guys are like me, we have sensitive skin, we tend to react to everything. But this clay mask is something that I do not react to. Definitely do your patch testing because it's very important. But like I said, I've got sensitive skin and I didn't react to it. I'm only here to tell you guys what's worked for me. I really am not a dermatologist or anything like a professional skincare person. No, I'm just telling you guys what worked for me. So please do not come for me. So yes, it's absolutely amazing. It's a clay mask that I would recommend to all my subscribers. If anyone is out there and you need something that is natural, that is quick, that is safe, I would definitely recommend using this Aztec Healing Clay. It is unprocessed, it is 100% natural, which is what I love. So you basically can't really go wrong with it. That is literally it for this very quick video. I just thought I'd come on here to help you guys that have asked me about pore congestion and like textured skin. This is what works for me. I really hope it works for you guys as well. Let people know in the comment section if it has worked for you or if it hasn't. You know, like not everything works for everyone. I want to hear all your comments, anything that will basically help other people. Put it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will catch you on my next video.